In this video, we will discuss gold retirement accounts for senior citizens. Retirement is a time to enjoy the fruits of a lifetime of hard work, but ensuring financial stability during this period is crucial. Preserving and growing retirement savings becomes more important than ever. To read the full article, see the link in the video description. One popular and increasingly sought-after option is investing in a gold retirement account, also known as a Gold IRA. Gold IRAs provide tax-advantaged portfolio diversification and risk mitigation, inflation hedging, and the ability to invest in this time-tested tangible commodity and form of money. This video guide will explore what a Gold IRA is, its benefits and drawbacks, how to set one up, and essential considerations for senior citizens. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold and other precious metals instead of traditional assets like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. A Gold IRA can hold gold bullion, coins, and bars. These accounts are managed by a custodian who handles the physical storage of the precious metals, usually kept in secure, insured depositories. Benefits of a Gold IRA for senior citizens. Number 1. Hedge against inflation. Gold has been a time-tested hedge against inflation. Unlike paper currency, gold tends to retain its value during economic downturns and periods of high inflation, providing a reliable store of value. 2. Diversification. Adding gold to your retirement portfolio can help diversify your investments. Diversification reduces overall risk, as gold often performs well when other asset classes, such as stocks, are underperforming. 3. Safe haven asset. During times of geopolitical instability, market volatility, or economic uncertainty, gold is considered a safe haven asset. Its value often rises when other investments lose value, providing a buffer against market downturns. 4. Protection from economic instability. Gold is not tied to the health of a company, government, or economy. It protects against economic instability, market crashes, and currency devaluation. 5. Long-term growth potential. Gold has historically shown long-term growth potential. While it may not provide the same rapid returns as high-risk stocks, it is generally viewed as a stable, low-risk investment that appreciates over time. 6. Legacy planning. Gold IRAs allow you to pass on wealth to your heirs. This can be an attractive feature for seniors looking to leave a financial legacy for their children or grandchildren. Drawbacks of a Gold IRA. Number 1. Gold IRAs typically come with additional fees than traditional IRAs. These include setup fees, storage fees, and custodial fees. 2. Lack of liquidity. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold is not easily liquidated. If you need quick access to your funds, selling physical gold can be more complicated and time-consuming. However, the many Gold IRA companies listed in the video description provide a convenient and trusted buyback policy. 3. No passive income. Gold does not generate passive income, such as dividends or interest. Its value is solely dependent on market appreciation, so it does not contribute to a steady income stream in retirement. Monetary Metals is a gold investment company that provides a competitive yield with fixed-income gold investment products. See the link in the video description to visit Monetary Metals' official site. For regulations and restrictions, the IRS has specific rules regarding the types of gold and other precious metals that can be held in a Gold IRA. Not all gold products qualify, and penalties may apply if the rules are not followed. To receive a more comprehensive guide on the Gold IRA process, see the link in the video description to visit Augusta Precious Metals' official site to receive this free Gold IRA checklist. Setting up a Gold IRA involves several key steps. 1. Choose a reputable custodian. Gold IRAs must be managed by a custodian, usually a bank, brokerage firm, or other financial institution approved by the IRS. 2. Open a self-directed IRA account. Once you have chosen a custodian, you will need to open a self-directed IRA account. This type of account allows you to invest in a wider range of assets, including gold and other precious metals. 3. Fund your account. You can fund your Gold IRA by rolling over or transferring funds from an existing retirement account, such as a 401k, traditional IRA, or Roth IRA. Be sure to follow IRS guidelines to avoid penalties. 4. Purchase approved gold. Work with your custodian to purchase IRS-approved gold or other precious metals. The custodian will ensure the metals meet purity standards and are stored in an approved depository. 5. Secure storage. The gold must be stored in an approved depository. Home storage is not allowed for gold IRAs, and attempting to do so could result in severe penalties from the IRS. Benefits of choosing a reputable gold IRA company. Finding the right gold IRA company for your individual needs is critical. For example, if you require a low investment minimum, Birch Gold Group or American Hartford Gold would be two choices to consider. However, if you are a serious high net worth investor who can afford a higher minimum to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, then Augusta Precious Metals would be a good fit. Furthermore, Noble Gold Investments provides gold IRA as well as private investment options for home storage. Decide based on your individual needs. See the links in the video description to learn more about each company's gold investing options. Consider your risk tolerance and financial goals. While gold provides stability, it does not offer income-generating opportunities like stocks or bonds. Ensure that a gold IRA aligns with your overall retirement strategy. Gold IRAs are best suited for those with a long-term investment horizon. They are not ideal for short-term gains or those needing immediate access to funds. Stay informed about market trends. Gold prices can be volatile in the short term, influenced by various factors such as interest rates, inflation, and geopolitical events. Staying informed about market trends can help you make better investment decisions. Understand the fees involved. Be aware of all the fees associated with setting up and maintaining a gold IRA, including setup, storage, and custodial fees. These can impact your overall returns, so it's important to factor them into your decision-making process. Consider the impact on required minimum distributions, RMDs. Once you reach the age of 73, the IRS requires you to start taking RMDs from your retirement accounts, including gold IRAs. To conclude, a gold IRA can be a valuable addition to a senior citizen's retirement portfolio, providing diversification, protection against economic instability, and a hedge against inflation. For seniors considering this investment, careful planning, thorough research, and professional guidance are essential. By understanding both the benefits and potential pitfalls, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your retirement goals and financial security. See the link in the video description to visit Augusta Precious Metals' official site to receive a free gold IRA checklist and avoid any possible pitfalls. Thank you for watching.